Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the bubble locations in Heartopia to get the free special emote from the new Modular Street Week 2 event, the store visiting riddle like this. So in this new update, there are hidden riddle bubbles that scattered around the map, and when you pop them, you can unlock the free emotes. And one of them is this riddle or this emote, Bountiful Harvest. This one. And for these bubble locations, just go to the art street over here. This area. Just go to this button, and then you will see the bubbles over here like that. You can see it, this one, and then next just pop it. You can use your car to make it higher. Like this. And then next just pop it. Like that. After you successfully pop the bubble, you will get the new emotes, and it will add it to your emotes menu like this. You can just open your emotes menu, this one, and then you can just use it like this. You can see it, you get the new emotes. And okay, that's it. That's how you can find the bubble locations to complete the store visiting riddles in Heartopia and get the new emotes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.